TrackZone has on it a great reporting tool, and I'm going to show you that now. So this is the page you'll get to when you log in. If you click on the reporting button at the bottom, you'll get into the reports section, and then you can add a report by clicking on the plus sign. I'm logged on as a Year 3 teacher, so we're looking at Year 3 reports, and you can unselect all those subjects and just choose a few subjects that you want to report on, or you can leave it as select all and it will report on all the subjects that you've assessed against. There'll be things in here that are from sort of EYFS or you've got PSHE. It will ignore those if you've not assessed against them, so you can leave them all checked if you want to do all subjects you've assessed against. And you can do a simple comparison of boys. You click on filter and then you add in the same for girls, and that's simply going to compare Year 3 boys in all subjects against Year 3 girls. And at the bottom here you can see it's telling you what it's showing you. So this is showing Year 3 boys. If we'd have put in specific subjects, then they would be listed here. And this is telling you that it's using the data of just 3 pupils to form this graph, and that's because this is a demo and there's not many pupils entered. For yours, this number should be a lot higher. So there we can change the view of the graph from a bar to a polar to a radar, and we can do that on this one too. And we can also add more graphs to compare against. So we'll just remove those for now. And we can also ask it if we wanted to know how, let's unselect those, how disadvantaged pupils were doing in, say, computing. Press filter and then add against Year 3 pupils in computing that aren't disadvantaged. We can do that, and there it's showing us that the disadvantaged are actually doing a lot better in computing than the non-disadvantaged. So we'll remove those again, and we can use it to report on SEN children and EAL children as well. And you can keep adding reports to keep comparing different things. I'm just going to put in one graph and show you how we print. So once you've got your 2 graphs here, you can then print them off, or you can save them to your computer. So you simply can go to File and Print, or you can right click your mouse button and go to Print, and you can see there you can print off the graph. You can change the orientation of it, or you can click down here and save it onto your computer as a PDF. And then we click Home and it takes us home.